everyone, and welcome to my channel. As we learned in the last example, I taught you some stuff about the drawing and modifying toolbar, which we use some mirroring command. Today, I want to show you how to turn on and off the grid behind the screen. You can just click on this one and it disappears. You click on it, it appears again. And you have some other useful features in here. One of them is the object snap, which you usually keep it on, and if there are certain things that you don't need to have it on, you can just turn it off from here. If it has a check mark next to it, then it is on. If it doesn't have the check mark, it is off. So if you had a drawing, let's say I'm gonna draw a circle somewhere on the screen, doesn't matter how big or how small. In here, if I have in my object snap right here, I have the center on. So that's why when I go on the circle, I get close to the circle and I click on it, I see the center. Even if I don't click on it, when I get closer to it, it will light up. For some reason, it's not doing it right now. But if I want to draw a line, let's say, and I want to go pass through the center, then that's when it's going to show me the center. But if I have it off, let's say if I turn it off right now and I have it off, I won't be able to click on the center. It clicks everywhere else, but it doesn't find the center for me. So as you see, this is on because we choose it last time and it was right there already. But if we draw another circle and make sure that our in object snap the center point is off, and I want to draw a line, and I choose the line button, I go on the center, I'll go closer to the circle. It shows me the grids and it tracks the points for quadrants, but it doesn't show me the center. So once again, in order to get those certain object snaps on, which usually for me, I keep endpoint on, midpoint on. I keep the center quadrant and a few other things on. As you see, tangent is very useful. Perpendicular is also useful. Parallel is useful. And if we don't have it on, no worries about it. You can always go back to it and turn it on. So now I'm gonna erase what I already drew in here. I'll just click on him or select the whole thing, and I'll just press the delete key on my keyboard and it deletes the whole thing. So right now for the second example, I'm gonna choose the line command, or I press escape and then I'm gonna type LI for line and it just brings it up. I click on it and I choose it, and then I click somewhere on the screen which starts the line for me, and I'm gonna go 10 units towards the right direction for the second example. I'm gonna go 2 units up. Again, like last example, I'm not shutting it off. I'm not discontinuing what I started. I just continue after that. So I'm gonna go another 2 units towards the left. I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 units towards the top. 2 units again. Actually, I did that wrong, so I'm gonna redo it. And the way I did that just now was clicking the middle cursor wheel on your mouse and pressing it down and holding it so you can easily move your screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another line. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2, 2. I just changed the direction of my mouse. 2. This is what I did wrong last time. I'll go 4 units. I'll go 4 units. 2 units. 2 units. And now I can just come here, choose this point without clicking on it. You know how I have object snap, I have the endpoint on. The endpoint is on. So I go ahead and see this endpoint. I track it because I have this one on. The restrict cursor, I have it on. That's how I can track the points. I track the point up, and when it hits where it's supposed to hit, that's completely horizontal, that's where my point is going to be. I just click on that, and then I bring it down and click on here, and I click escape. And there we have it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.